Hi guys, welcome back to my channel.
Hey guys, welcome back.
So in this video, we are going to be giving you a few tips to save money in Seoul. And this video is mainly for those people who are new here and who are still trying to figure out Seoul. So I hope you guys find this video helpful. But before we begin, I just wanted to thank all of y'all who have subscribed to my channel. It means a lot. Thank you for the support. And for all those who haven't, if you guys like anything about the video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And yeah, thank you for that. So let's begin.
Okay guys, so the first point we'll be talking about phone and internet plans here. So it usually makes sense for new immigrants to use the same company for your phone as well as internet. There are a lot of companies like LG U Plus and SK Telecom and KT. So they bundle both the phone and the internet together in one plan. Like say you would get you would be saving at least like say 7 to 8,000 won per month if you take a bundle plan. Another thing to keep in mind is if you're not taking a 2-year or a 1-year contract, which is very popular here among the locals and abroad, you can pick some of these local MVNOs, they are called, virtual carriers, which are piggybacking on the actual network of KT or SK Telecom. There is this particular mobile brand called Woori Mobile, which provides really cheap prepaid plans. Okay guys, so another important tip is related to remittance, that is when you actually send money back home. So the currency here in Korea, which is South Korean won, fluctuates a lot. When I say a lot, it actually adds up to a lot when you send money back home. So do keep an eye out on the live conversion rate, because we've ended up saving like up to 10,000 rupees while keeping an eye out on the conversion rate versus say if you send money when the conversion rate is low versus when it's really high. Another tip relating to your grocery and household expenses. If you have a Costco membership or you know a colleague in your office or university who has a Costco membership, it's better to buy some items in bulk, like say if you need like toiletries or ketchup or rice or some frozen foods, it's always better to buy in bulk from Costco. Another few places that offer huge discounts if you buy it in bulk are eMart traders, and also you get really good deals on Gmarket and Coupang.
So coming to the next point, initially when we came here, we used to only shop at supermarkets. But with time we realized that there are a lot of small marts here as well. And the price here is lesser as compared to that of supermarkets. And hence we started shopping here. However, there is one thing that I want to mention is that sometimes the quality is not as up to the mark for a certain item. So you will have to experiment and see which are the items that you can buy at small marts and which items you should buy from the supermarkets. Another place where you can get your fruits and vegetables at a reasonable price is these local traditional markets. So in your area, there will be one place where they sell it, and if it is convenient for you, that is definitely the perfect place to buy your fruits and vegetables. Whether you choose to shop at supermarkets or at these small marts, they have this point system or a card program where when you buy things, you get points for it, and then later you can use these points to buy something else. So again, this system is really convenient. You're saving some money there. So don't forget to opt for that program.
Okay, so the next point is, as soon as you come here, first thing that you should do is take a commuter pass, be it T-Money or Cash P, which are the two most popular ones here. They're used in almost all convenience stores. You get discounts in convenience stores. You can also use them to book your intercity bus rides and train rides. You can also use them for the normal subway and buses. Okay guys, so another tip that you may or may not know when you first come here is that if you transfer from the subway to the bus or vice versa, and if your transfer is within half an hour, say you get down from subway station A and swipe out and then catch a bus. But if you do that within half an hour, it is actually considered the same trip.
So guys, coming to the next point, how much ever we love shopping at malls and at our branded stores, there are times when we are looking to shop at a reasonable price, and these are my go-to places. First one is Express Bus Terminal. So this place is huge and you get a lot of things, and you can buy tops and dresses around 10,000 won and maybe even lesser than that. And apart from Express Bus Terminal, you have Dongdaemun Market, you have a few places in Hongdae, And in Gangnam, that is in Koik Mall, you have a huge underground shopping complex. So coming to the things that you need for your house and for your day-to-day things, if you have seen my Daiso video, you'll realize you get a lot of things there at a very reasonable price. So don't forget to check out Daiso. Also, I'll put the link of that video in my description so that if you guys want to, you can check out Daiso here. So another way to save money is by eating Korean food. Here, the Korean restaurants are cheaper as compared to other cuisine restaurants. Usually, a dish in a Korean restaurant is around 8,000 won, whereas dishes in another cuisine are around 12,000 won. So, again, you save some money. So, it'll be a good thing if you develop a taste for Korean food. So, there are options for vegetarians as well. So, there are a few Korean restaurants that serve some tteokbokki dishes and some tofu dishes that are vegetarian. So guys, if you have seen our video on things to know before moving to Korea, there are a few points that are similar in both the videos, but we felt that it was equally important to include those points here for those people who haven't seen that video. Well, I hope you guys found this video helpful in some way, and if you did, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, also comment, share, like, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, stay safe.